Welcome back to Ice Pony Videos. Today I'm going to teach you how to make one of my favorite recipes. This is a secret family dinner which I'm going to make tonight. We're going to be making egg curry. This is a healthy and delicious recipe you can make for your family. Kids will love this because it's not spicy at all. Let's get started with the ingredients. Eggs, which I've already boiled. Half an onion, which I've cut into tiny pieces. 3 tomatoes, once again I've cut into tiny pieces. Half a cup of heavy cream. Some cilantro, which I've washed and cut. Cashew nuts, which you can boil them and make a paste, or just crush them and make a powder. And today I will be making a paste. We will be using some spices. Garam masala, chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, and cumin seeds, and salt for taste. I boiled my cashew nuts for about 10 minutes with a little bit of water, and then I used a food processor to make paste. I have put 2 spoons of oil into a pan. Once it's nicely warm, I'm going to put the cumin seeds in and roast them until they're red. Now I'm going to add the onions. I'm going to saute the onions until they're well cooked. In the meantime, let's peel the boiled eggs. As you can see, my onions are well cooked. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. I'm going to cook these nicely, like how I did to the onions. I'm going to show you one of my cool cooking tricks. To cook your tomatoes really quickly, you can mix some salt in nicely, and then you cover it with a lid, and because of the steam, your tomatoes cook faster. To make good egg curry, I'm going to teach you a new trick. We're going to make a few cuts in our boiled eggs, so when we put it in the curry, it'll nicely soak. Make sure you're making cuts and not breaking the egg into pieces. I've asked my mom to take some of the onion and tomato mix that we were just cooking into a blender. Now I'm going to make a paste out of it. I like my curry to have a few onion pieces, but at the same time to have a smooth texture. I mixed the tomato and onion paste back into the pan. As you can see how it changed the color after I made a paste. I have taken in a bowl turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala, and now I'm going to mix it into our tomato and onion paste. You can adjust the chili powder and garam masala to your taste. I'm going to put half a cup of water into our onion and tomato paste. I'm going to mix it for about 3 minutes. As you see, the curry is boiling. Now I'm going to add the heavy cream and the cashew paste. I'm going to stir this for another minute. I like my egg curry with rice, so I'm going to add a little bit more water to make it thin. But if you like to eat it with chapati or roti, you can leave it a little bit thicker. I am going to put the eggs into the curry and let it cook for 5 to 10 more minutes so the eggs can nicely soak the curry. You can cover your curry and let it cook for a good 10 minutes so the eggs can soak the curry and masala. As you see, the curry is ready and I cooked it for a good 10 minutes. Now I'm going to decorate it with cilantro and then serve it to my family. Here's my rice and egg curry, and it's time to enjoy dinner. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!